All right, today is our new Greek and Latin lesson 7. Today is 10-14-19. Don't forget to use presentation mode. And go ahead and title your paper lesson 7, 10-14-19. Remember, anything in blue needs to be added to your notes in your composition notebooks. So let's do a quick review of our Greek and Latin roots. We know that tele means far or distant. Phone means sound. Graph means to write or draw. Gram means to write. Scope and scop deal with vision or seeing. Micro means tiny, small. And vid also deal with seeing. And then our last root that we worked on was auto. You can see that I have some auto words available. On the far left, you have an automobile. In the middle, we are talking about an autobiography. And on the far right, I have the word autofocus next to a camera. So as a reminder, let's talk real quick about what auto means. Well, auto means self. And if we go back and look, an automobile is a self-driving car, which means the motor makes it go. An autobiography is when you tell your own life story or you tell a story about yourself. And then to autofocus is when the camera automatically focuses by itself. So now let's talk about some hints for our new root. You can see on the far left, I have a picture that has lots of nature on it. Sea creatures, land animals, ground, vegetation, birds in the air, microscopic organisms. In the middle, I have a picture of rotting food. I can see an orange and a potato and some other kind of green leafy things going on there. And then on the far right, we have a book cover about Jackie Robinson, who was a famous baseball player. So now, what root do you think each of those words have in common? So go ahead and make a prediction, take a guess. If you're not sure, then I have provided some links. So you can see that this page is a little bit different. What you will do is go click on the picture, and each picture will take you to a website that provides a really helpful hint. And then after you look at all three of the hints, you should be able to figure out the root. And then what I want you to do is use Edym Online. And what you can do is go click on the word Edym Online right there on this slide, and it'll take you to the Edym Online website. And you can use that website to type in the root, and then it will give you the definition. So you can go ahead and pause the video, go to our Greek and Latin root site, do that, and then come back and play the video again. Okay, so I'm assuming that you've already went and looked up on Edym Online and figured out what the root and the definition are. You can go ahead and add that to your notebook now. So add our root for the week and the definition, and then down below you have your new graphic organizer that looks a little bit different. And what I want you to do is go find 4 words that contain our new Greek and Latin root, and then give me the definition for them. And then down below, I want you to use them in sentences correctly. So remember, a morpheme makes up a word, and a word helps make up sentences. So go ahead and take care of that. And then at the end, go ahead and take your quiz, and you can take it as many times as you need to until you make a 100.